Did you know that the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a battery life that lasts up to 30 hours on a single charge? That's almost a whole day of use without plugging in. The iPhone 17 Air is the latest addition to Apple's lineup, and it's been making waves in the tech world. This new model promises to bring some exciting upgrades to the table. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it's no wonder everyone is talking about it. From what we've seen so far, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be a game-changer. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the iPhone series has been a major part of that. From the first iPhone to the latest models, Apple's smartphones have consistently raised the bar. The iPhone 17 Air is no exception, with its advanced camera system and AI-powered processor. It's clear that Apple has been working hard to make this device stand out. The iPhone series has come a long way since its inception, and the iPhone 17 Air is a testament to that. With each new model, Apple has managed to push the boundaries of what's possible on a smartphone. The iPhone 17 Air is the latest chapter in this story, and it's an exciting one. So, what makes the iPhone 17 Air so special? For starters, its design is sleek and modern, with a focus on durability and aesthetics. The camera system has also been upgraded, with advanced features like optical zoom and improved low-light performance. And with a battery life that lasts up to 30 hours, you can use your iPhone all day without worrying about running out of juice. But that's not all. The iPhone 17 Air also boasts some impressive specs, including a powerful A17 Bionic chip and up to 16 GB of RAM. This means you can expect smooth performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web, the iPhone 17 Air has got you covered. In terms of unique features, the iPhone 17 Air has a few tricks up its sleeve. For example, it supports advanced augmented reality capabilities, allowing you to experience AR like never before. And with improved water resistance, you don't have to worry about your iPhone getting damaged in the rain or pool. The iPhone 17 Air also comes with some exciting new camera features, including a telephoto lens and advanced portrait mode. This means you can take stunning photos and videos with ease. And with improved editing software, you can make your memories look even better. Another key feature of the iPhone 17 Air is its focus on AI and machine learning. With advanced algorithms and a powerful processor, this device can learn your habits and adapt to your needs. From optimizing your battery life to suggesting the best times to take a photo, the iPhone 17 Air is designed to make your life easier. But what about the user interface? The iPhone 17 Air runs on iOS, which is known for its ease of use and intuitive design. With a clean and simple layout, you can navigate your iPhone with ease. And with advanced features like Face ID and Touch ID, you can rest assured that your device is secure. Of course, no device is perfect, and the iPhone 17 Air has its drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the price, which is higher than some of its competitors. Additionally, some users may find the lack of a headphone jack to be a drawback. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 17 Air delivers. With its powerful processor and ample storage, you can expect smooth performance and fast loading times. And with a stunning display, you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in style. In terms of user experience, the iPhone 17 Air is a joy to use. The interface is responsive and intuitive, making it easy to get things done. And with advanced features like Siri and AI-powered suggestions, you can get help when you need it. Now, let's compare the iPhone 17 Air to some of its competitors. One of its main rivals is the Samsung Galaxy S22, which offers similar specs and features. However, the iPhone 17 Air has a few advantages, including its seamless ecosystem and advanced camera system. Another competitor is the Google Pixel 6, which offers a similar camera experience. However, the iPhone 17 Air has a more powerful processor and longer battery life. In my personal experience, the iPhone 17 Air has been a revelation. The battery life is amazing, and the camera is so much fun to use. I've also been impressed by the performance, which is smooth and responsive. One standout moment for me was when I used the iPhone 17 Air to capture a stunning sunset photo. The colors were vibrant, and the detail was incredible. It was one of those moments where you appreciate the technology in your hands. Overall, I'd give the iPhone 17 Air a solid 9 out of 10. It's an amazing device that's perfect for anyone looking for a powerful and feature-packed smartphone. If you're due for an upgrade, or just want a device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the iPhone 17 Air is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in learning more about the iPhone 17 Air, be sure to check out my other review videos. I've got a deep dive on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and a comparison of the top smartphones on the market. And if you've got any thoughts on the iPhone 17 Air, I'd love to hear them. Share your comments below, and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Finally, if you're looking for more information on the iPhone 17 Air, be sure to check out my website for the latest news and updates. I've got all the latest rumors and leaks, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on the iPhone 17 Air as more information becomes available.